Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, January 27th, 2023. Let's find out what's going on the Forex calendar today. The Forex calendar is not that busy at all because it's only the ECB President Lagarde speech scheduled for release at 11:30 a.m. So that's the very important event, especially for the euro and for the eurozone countries. And then we got pending home sales data from the US scheduled for release at 4 p.m. The market participants expect increase for the month of December from -4% to -0.9% on the pending home sales market. So doesn't look like a busy day for the traders. Nevertheless, let's take a look at the main pairs, main currency pairs, to see what is going on the Forex market. On Friday we are going to start with euro dollar. For our chart of the euro dollar, looks very promising for bulls. Nevertheless, there is something I would like to show you straight on this chart. Let me just get my arrow, and you can see here very clearly that there is a bearish divergence between the price, which is making new highs, and clearly RSI indicator that doesn't do anything new here. The lower highs section here is directly response for this kind of a up move. Nevertheless, this up move is not that strong at all. This up move is made using the bearish divergence. So please notice the fact that once we definitely break below this line, for example, we might see very interesting downside development towards the level of, let's say, this technical support. Let me point it out for you, the horizontal line, and we have the technical support at 1.0782. As you can see, this level has been tested many times from the below, from the above. It works as a technical support. So the next target for bears would be at this level if we break strongly below this black temporary trend line. Here, on the other hand, on the euro dollar, what do we have is the technical resistance, of course. Let me just point it out for you in red. There you go, 1.0927. It's been tested 4 times already. So this is kind of a strong technical resistance, and the market must make up their minds what they want to do right now. Maybe they are waiting for the trigger for the economic, for example, data release in order to trigger some bigger move. Nevertheless, the volatility is right now kind of a subdued, and we are waiting for the increase in the volatility. That should become very clear for all of the traders, because the trigger will be most likely this kind of a candle up or down, most likely down. I mean, the odds are to the downside towards the technical support. So that's the euro dollar. Let's find out what is British pound doing then. The situation here is quite similar to the euro dollar, because what do we have here is, of course, the technical resistance that cannot be violated. You can see it here, and there is one more. Let me put one more line here for you guys so you can see that there is this level, for example, 1.2447, 1.2435. That's the very tight zone here. As you can, let me just zoom out. There you go. This is the zone I mean. Okay, so that's very tight zone. It looks like a supply zone which consists of 2 technical resistance levels. So bulls are having problem to break above this levels, and they are being rejected from this level. So for now, they didn't actually went lower than 1.2280 with this brief spike below this level. Nevertheless, look at this. We bounced into the positive territory on the RSI. However, there is no new high made during that bounce. So we back into the consolidation. It looks good. It looks good for the bulls. Nevertheless, they don't have enough power, enough strength to break above this level. Let me just find out where is the 100 periods moving average. There you go. We are still trading above 100 periods moving average on for our chart. Nevertheless, we don't have the confirmation from the momentum yet that could increase the odds of the upside breakout. So the most important technical resistance is on the chart, so please keep an eye on it, and in case of the breakout higher, the next target, let me just take a look a little bit here. Well, the next target will be far away from here because I cannot see it on the 4-hour chart. So that's another reason to keep an eye on this level. What is doing gold? What is doing gold? Let me just switch to the daily because I think it's a much more important channel right now. There you go. Time frame, sorry, not channel. Where is my line? There you go. This is my line, and what I want to show you guys is this very nice trend line that had been violated. So it's clear that we are right now trending very strongly to the upside. The recent high was made at the level of 1,948. And the next target for bulls from the technical point of view is 1,977. This is the technical resistance here. So it looks all good. It looks very nice. Momentum confirms this up move on gold as well. Yeah, that's fine. Nevertheless, let's dig into the details. Look at this. Look at this recent chart, recent candlestick pattern. This is bearish engulfing, and today we might have the confirmation of this bearish engulfing pattern if this of course candle will eventually close red. Okay, so then the next target for best, the intraday target, would be somewhere around 1,898, and if this level is violated, the odds for the down move are even higher. Okay, so please keep an eye on the current development of gold. We got the target for bulls, we got the target for bears. The market's conditions are extremely overbought on a daily time frame chart, which means that we might see stronger pullback to the downside soon, because it looks like this movement to the upside is strong. It looks like the bulls have a control over the market. We are trading above the 100 days moving average, which is always a good sign. If we put one more indicator here, which will be moving average in form of the SMA, in form of the let's say 50 periods, right? So 50 periods moving average, there you go. We are still trading above the 50 periods moving average. This is the 50. Okay, so that's the green one. We are trading above this line as well. We have the cross. Everything is telling us from the technical point of view that this market wants to go higher. Basically, it wants to go towards the next target at 1,998. Basically, it's all about $2,000 per ounce of gold right now. But first, we are waiting for some sort of the correction, some sort of the pullback, and then the market is ready to rally way higher than it is right now. That's the perspective of the daily time frame chart. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.